guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is actually requested by a few of you guys. A few of you guys asked to see a headband wig but with bangs, and MyFirstWig had one, so it was freaking perfect. So I got this curly one from them. I don't know if they have a straight one now that I think about it, but they did have a curly one, so this is the one that I got. And this is what it looks like, you guys. So it's literally bangs attached to the front of the headband. So this is what the inside looks like, the same as the regular headband. So you have one comb in the middle and then a comb on each side and then one in the middle and the back. It also has these adjustable straps in there, and then to hook it, if you're not familiar, it has this little band right here. This is what the bangs are attached to, and then it has the Velcro to make it stick. So let's see what this looks like on first, and then I'll put some product in it because it looks like so much hair.
Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking.
Okay, scoot this back a bit, get my ear out. It's thick, y'all, but it's cute. I like the bangs. So they gave me some headbands, but the one that I picked out was this cheetah one because I feel like it kind of matched my top. I want to put in some I have some thick hoops that I think will look cute with this. Okay, so now it's turning into a thing. Let's tuck my crystal. Okay. I think I got this from Forever 21. Oh yeah, and then when I put the headband on, woo. Okay, I think, okay, I don't know why I did it right now, but I want to take it off and I want to put some product in it. Okay, so I'm going in with water and then my Lovely Bees Leave It Be Leave It, and then I'm going to use mousse. This is just the Mixed Chicks mousse because gel's going to take too long to dry.
Something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending it's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. takes a toll on everyone, they say. Time is merciless, it won't wait for us to change. Time, I am stressing out, I can't figure out what to say. Oh, time, just give us time. Time, looking back on pictures, and I find it hard to see you and myself in places where we used to be. Oh, time.
Now I'm going to take my Lovely Bees Edge Control. Can't really see nothing, but
we got older, babe, and I wanna stay with you. Don't got time for games. Now what you wanna do? Tell me now if you.
Ooh, y'all see that pimple? Is it shining? Cause it hurt. Okay, so I am all done, and this is what it looks like. It looks so freaking good. I really like this. I want to try to get it up into a ponytail, but let's see. I don't know why I always scoot like all the way back. Like I'm really about to fuck some shit up.
Go with me all the way. Every night, every day, promise we'll never change. Are you gonna love me?
Okay, so I can't get it as like pulled up as I want to, but you guys get an idea of what it would look like. And it would be really, really cute. I think if I took it off and put it back on a mannequin head and like really got the hair up, I think it would look way, way better. But this is just like an idea of how it would look. I didn't even look at the back, so I don't even know what that's doing, but it's so cute. So much hair, and just this is bomb. Okay, so it grew a little bit from me trying to get it out of that ponytail, but this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I love you guys, and I'll see you on my next one.
I wanna stay with you and don't got time for games.